Once you make your text transparent in CapCut, here's a quick and easy way. First, open CapCut on your PC and click New Project. Next, click Import and select the video you want to use. Once imported, drag the video from the media panel onto the timeline. Then click the text in the top toolbar and select the plus button to add the text. Tap your text, such as welcome. You can also adjust the font style and size to your liking. Now drag the text clip on the timeline above your video and select it. Go to the text tab in the right side panel and scroll down to opacity. Drag the opacity slider to around 55% or less, or adjust it until you get the look you want. Finally, preview the video to make sure the video is visible through the text. And that's it. You created a transparent text in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.